Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change themes and bubble themes on WhatsApp. So with the new update, WhatsApp has introduced some new customization features if you want to change your themes on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. To change your themes, you go to your WhatsApp, go to settings, go to chats. Now you're going to see this option right here, default chat themes. Make sure your WhatsApp is up to date because I just updated this one last night. Click on it. Now you have an option to set some pretty much basic themes. They will give you some basic WhatsApp themes. So you can choose the color you want. If you want to go crazy, you can scroll down to the bottom and select these dark ones that look really beautiful. You can customize the intensity. You can change the bubble color if you want. I'm going to pick this one for the sake of this video. And when you're happy with your settings, you click on apply. You have an option to keep your existing wallpaper. Click on set theme. After that, when you go back, you're going to see that the themes has been changed. So if you want to go back to the default themes, maybe you want to reset everything back to normal, you go back to your settings, go to chats, go to default chat themes, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and click on reset themes. Now everything will go back to normal. So that's how you change your default WhatsApp themes and chat bubbles. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.